Hello everyone, welcome to TechLabor channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix if your phone's USB option is not showing up on your PC but it is charging, or if your phone is not connecting to your computer. Now the first thing you have to do is check your phone and go to settings. From here, go all the way down and tap on about phone. Now from here, tap on software information. Now find build number. Here you can see build number. If you cannot find build number from the settings, you can just go to your settings and search for build, BUILD, and here you can see build number, and once you tap on it, you will find build number. Now once you find it, what you have to do is tap on it 7 times. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and if you have any pin or password on your phone, you need to enter that. Then tap on continue, and now we have enabled developer mode on our phone. Now what you have to do is just go back, and in here search for USB, and here you can see the option default USB configuration. So just tap on it, and here you can see at the bottom default USB configuration. Tap on it, and now here you can see that my phone is set to charging phone only, and from here all you need to do is just select transferring files and then go back, and once you're in the developer options again, just turn it off, and that will turn off the developer options. Now connect your phone to your computer and see that if USB option is working. If not, there is one thing you need to do. Now for that, connect your phone to your computer and then go to the search box and type in device manager. Now click on device manager from the top. Now in here, scroll down a bit, and under the other devices section, you can see my phone, Samsung, Android. If you're using Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, anything else, they will show up here as well. Now once you find your phone, all you need to do is just right click on it and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. And now Windows will search for the driver of your phone and install it for you, and after that your phone should connect to your computer and you will be able to use the USB features. And that is how you can solve the problem of your phone not connecting to your computer, or the USB option is not showing on your computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.